Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Wildan from Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Farmasi Yayasan Farmasi Semarang, Indonesia. My title is Citronella acetylation using a nickel cobalt metal impregnated hierarchical zeolite catalysis and its potential as an antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant. Citronella is one of compound contain the citronella essential oil. Citronella is a monopropan compound that can undergo chemical reaction, including cyclicization, acetylation with heterogeneous catalysis such as zeolite. The result of the citronella acetylation is isopropyl acetate. Zeolite was modified by hierarchical and impregnated with nickel cobalt. The objective of this research was to determine the catalytic activity of the nickel cobalt metal impregnated hierarchical zeolite in the acetylation reaction of the citronella with acetic acid anhydride and its potential used to microbial and antioxidant activities. The scheme of the research, the first natural zeolite is modification by hierarchical system impregnated with nickel cobalt, and then catalyzation by SRD, SAA, and SEM. After that, we used to acetylation on the citronella with modified zeolite. And then elucidation of the compound resulting from the acetylation of citronella. After that, we used to antimicrobial test and antioxidant activity test. The results show that analyzed for catalytic form SAA instrumentation show that the hierarchical zeolite and impregnated zeolite both are also equally qualified in include in the size of mesopore. From the SRD data above, it can be seen that there are differences in the diffraction intensity of the two zeolites. Hierarchical zeolite is more optimal in diffraction incident light to the natural crystal structure of zeolite. While in impregnated zeolite, the crystal structure is hindered by the presence of nickel cobalt metal that stick and bind to the surface and pore of the zeolite, which reduces the intensity of the diffraction in impregnated zeolite. The same results show that the surface appearance of the metal impregnated zeolite is more denser when they compare to hierarchical zeolite. This density is due to the nickel cobalt metal have attached and embedded on the surface and core of the impregnated zeolite. From the FTER results show that the several characteristic function group we produce after citronella through acetylation, cyclicization reaction. Some peaks based on the reading of the wave number show the group such as alkyne, carbonyl, alkane, ester, that the characteristics of the ester compound form through the acetylation cyclicization process. The purity of the compound form can be caused by several factors, such as the content in various essential oil can cause competition for reaction between substrate during the acetylation reaction, which result in the formation of various compounds with the less than optimal presentation of each. From antimicrobial tests show that the result of acetylation compound have a strong potential as antimicrobial. And from antioxidant test TPPH show that the result of the acetylation compound has less potential as an antioxidant. We can conclude the first nickel cobalt metal impregnated hierarchical system modified zeolite can be utilized as a catalyst and it's effective in the acetylation cyclicization reaction of the citronella. The second show that the result of the acetylated compound have a strong potential as antimicrobial and and has less potential as antioxidant. So that is my presentation. Thank you.